Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at EMAG Technology Day at Rajkot. I'm here with my friend Manuel and Satish from EMAG. Thank you, sir, for your time here. So, Manuel, we are here at Technology Day, right? So, can you please elaborate for the viewers what kind of different technologies EMAG Group has?
For sure. We at EMAG, we are a turnkey supplier. You get from EMAG not only one technology, for example, the turning operation, you get from EMAG the complete process. So if you think, for example, about a gear, a standard gear, the first process of a gear is the turning operation. We have for the turning, we have our vertical machine you see here in this video. After the turning operation, there's, for example, a hopping operation necessary. We have in our EMAG group, we have hopping machines, which is the Köpfer brand. In Köpfer brand, we have the gear hopping machines. After this process is an induction and hardening process necessary, and after induction and hardening, you need a grinding process. We at EMAG, we have also grinding machines. So you see, we as a turnkey supplier, we can offer you the complete process from the raw part handling till the finished part. You can get from EMAG every technology, and we are your partner.
So, you have huge portfolio of technologies here in EMAG Group.
Yes.
So, let's talk specifically about vertical turning machine. Can you please elaborate on that?
EMAG introduced first vertical turning center in 1992, and this is the beginning of turning center to the world. And from then, now we are the market leaders in vertical turning center. So this vertical turning center is completely different concept when you compare with any horizontal turning center. Here, the spindle is at the top, which allow the spindle to self loading and unloading. So it means any human intervention is cut it out from the machine to load and unload the part. And also we can integrate integrated automations, so like storage conveyor, where the spindle only picks the part from the storage conveyor and machining, and also automatically measure the part with the same clamping and unload the part. So one of the important advantage here is the chip flow. As the spindle is vertical, when you machine vertically, all the chip flow falls directly to the chip conveyor, which is placed beneath our
Fantastic.
turret system. So this is the one of the important advantage, because the chip cumbersome is very huge in a horizontal turning center, which can be avoided completely here in this vertical turning center.
Wow. So the first advantage is that chip is going down with the gravity.
Yes,
So
yes,
gravity is your friend, so you are using
yes,
that,
got.
and it helps in the chip evacuation, right?
Yes, we have a chip
Second is
conveyor.
it can also be used to pick up the components,
Yes,
and third is you can do the measuring during
yes,
the
with
process
the
itself.
same clamping, we can measure the part, so that we can, and also we can give the automatic compensation to the tool wear. So there is a tool wear every part, after some parts, and you can give this automatic compensation
That's very
also.
innovative. Can you please elaborate, Manuel, what kind of different components can be made through vertical turning here?
Yes, for sure. You see here different parts on the presentation. We start with our machines. We have with our machines integrated automation systems. So it's also a big benefit for us. You not need a separate automation system. One machine operator must not stand the complete time next to the machine, because we have in standard with our machine a conveyor system for raw and for also for finished parts. You see here some different kinds of parts. For example, you can have a driven gear, but we can also have completely different parts. We have round parts, we have unround parts, we have diff cases. So our machines are very flexible, and with our machines are built for mass production. So you can some machines from us, they produce 24 hours every time the same part, but also it's very easy to adjust the part for new process. Yeah.
Can you talk about the rigidity of the machine, how rigid these machines are?
Basically, we have some standard feature in the machine. So generally, all the machine comes with a cast iron bed. But in our EMAG machine, this is a granite bed. We
Wow.
call it as a mineralite bed. It's a mixture of minerals which you found in the nature, and it mixes with epoxy resin, and we produce this in our plant in Jintan. And this is very rigid column, and which has a very good dampening property. It means the vibration is less, so we can achieve good dimensional accuracies, good surface finish, and better tool life compared to when you use the machine with the cast iron bed. And this is the rigidity we can get it.
Fantastic. So can you also, talk about how is the footprint of the machine? How big is the
Yes.
machine or
So
how small?
machine is the smallest footprint. Okay. So generally, when you see the horizontal machine with the wide, it is a width is very long, and when you it's nothing but you lift it up this horizontal machine to the 90-degree, you have a vertical turning center.
Yeah.
So height of the horizontal turning center becomes width of your vertical turning center.
Wow.
So it's just like a smallest footprint you can have it in vertical turning centers.
Great. I think just as real estate is getting more and more expensive, smaller
Yes,
footprint
yes,
machines are
this is,
required, right, in the
yes,
factories. So I
yes,
think it's a big advantage for the
yes.
users here.
And also, as Manuel said, we can offer you complete manufacturing line. So we can offer you with this modular standard machine with a different technology. We can offer you complete manufacturing cell as well. So we can reduce the complete floor plan for the manufacturing line with
Great.
these vertical machines.
I think when you talk about modular, I think this is one of the strengths of EMAG Group that you have a
Yes.
modular design. Can you
Yeah.
please elaborate on that, how it helps in the automation and, you
Okay.
know,
See this VL machine, what you can see here, this is a basic module. This is a one basic module where we are using turning technology. So in this basic module, this gives the flexibility to add any other technology which is in our umbrella. For example, we can use this machine for the hobbing technology as well. We can use this machine for the laser welding.
wow.
We can use this machine for the grinding also. So it means complete manufacturing cell. As I said, when OP10 and OP20 turning, OP30 hobbing, then hardening from the foreign machine, okay, then OP final operation, hard turning and grinding, we can offer you with the modular basic module concept. The advantage, you have a smallest footprint with a VL machine. Second, the basic module is a common part strategy because the basic module is same. You all the component is common, so spare part inventory is less.
Awesome.
So you can also the inventory is less. You need little space for the spare to store. And one of the important is for the operator, it is easy to operate because he doesn't have to go to different manuals, different technology manual to
Yes.
operate the in terms of the maintenance. He just go through one manual for the VT machine or VL machine, then it is a common for the all the VL machines. So this is the advantage you get it when you see in the production line.
Thank you, Manuel and Satish, for giving your time and explaining in detail about all the technological specification. I wish you all the best for the technology product. I think a lot of customers are coming here now to listen to your presentation. All the best. Thank you.